The quad checker is a powerful tool that lets you quickly and easily approve new ads, and it also lets you go through all of the ads that are currently rotating in your exchange and lets you quickly take out any bad ones. After you install the quad checker, you'll see a new widget inside of your admin panel that shows if you have any pending sites, banners, or text ads. And if you do, you can check them just by clicking this button. And this will open up the checker where you can quickly suspend it, flag it, or approve it. Now when approving banner ads, you'll see that the checker opens both the banner ad image and also the target URL, so you don't have to click on the banner. You can immediately see at a glance if both the image and the target are valid and comply with your terms. Now when you click on Open Quad Checker, you'll see additional options to check the existing ads already in rotation. You can check your sites, banner, and text ads, and you can check ones that are rotating right now, which are ads that are active and have credits assigned to them, and you can also check all of the ads that have been shown in the past 24 hours or the past 48 hours or whatever you choose. Now when I go to check my sites, I can check through them one at a time, or I can open quad mode, and this will allow me to check 4 sites at a time. So even if I have a lot of sites in rotation, this will let me go through them quickly and easily. So I can click next to approve all of them. Now let's say that I saw a site that was down and I wasn't sure if the site was completely offline or they might have had difficulties, and if I wanted to come back and check it again later. I can click on flag, and what this will do is when I go back to my quad checker, I can view all of my flagged ads, and I can flag as many ads as I want while going through the checker. So let's say that this site was down and I wanted to check on it later. I could click on it to open it back up in the checker. And then if it was a site that was a problem, I could suspend it from here, or if the site was okay, I could remove the flag. And now let's say that you're checking ads and a frame breaker comes up, or another site that disrupts the checker. You can view all of the sites that were last opened in the checker here. So if the checker was closed by a frame breaker or some other site that was causing an issue, you could see which one was causing the issue here and then suspend it. And this covers the basics for using the quad checker.